Okay, good morning YouTube. I'm back again today, and this time I'm doing a little bit of a quick video for y'all. Had a viewer request, or a subscriber request, I guess you could say, a couple months ago. Want to know if I could do a video on the powerstroke over here, and they want to know if I could do some revs on it and running and stuff like that, because they said they like the sound of a fully stock powerstroke just like ours is, and so I said, yeah, I can do that. And so now, since the truck's finally fixed and back from the shop and running like a brand new one again and all that stuff, I decided I would go ahead and do the video. And so I'll go ahead and get around to it. And so, as you know, it's a 2005 Ford F350 dually with a 6.0 powerstroke. And so I'm gonna do a startup and a couple revs for you real quick right here. It's just gonna be a little quick video. And so whoever you are that requested it, I can't remember what your exact name was and everything, but this video is for you because you requested it, and so hope you enjoy it. And so there you go. There's the video of the revving. And so could have done more, but I've got to get off and go do some work now. And so hope you enjoyed that. And so we'll say we got back in the shop and everything, and it had the high pressure oil pump, I think it was, something on it had to be replaced. I think it was the fitting or the, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it said something like it was the ICP valve or something like that. Went ahead and also did the EGR delete on it, so that's one less thing we got to worry about. And it did get a new turbo spool put on it, so it sounds a whole lot better too, and it actually runs a lot better. And even the fuel economy has increased on it a little bit, so it's also getting better fuel economy because that new turbo now. You can see it's round like a top. But that's all for that video. And so if you like the video, you can comment if you want to, rate it, and subscribe for more. And so I can't guarantee I can always do a viewer request video, but if I can, and I'll just do them when I can, you know. And so, like I said, like the video, comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, and my username will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time.